Someone sent me a video of this guy called that a phrase, using some degrading words to classify Mazi Simon Ekpa, saying that he told the court that he's a content creator. It's kind of a big shame to hear someone like that to say things like that. I know that this guy is an idiot anyway, but I don't think that his foolishness is up to the way he's just expressing it. Before, I have come across this video where he talks about Christianity and things like that, try to accuse pastors of not preaching the right words. Unfortunately, he's actually doing the same thing. We saw what happened in court. Everybody saw everything in court. But this idiot he called that a freezer still went down there and said people should be aware of that Simon Ekpa claimed to be a content creator. What a shameful thing. What a shameful thing. And recently, somebody told me that he's just got an appointment to stay in what they call a honest bunch. I'm wondering what he's going there to do. It's just to perfect his lies again. You must avoid following this guy called that the Fraser. He's a dangerous guy. You must avoid. We must do everything to begin to debunk all these unjustified newses that are just creating up, nuisance out there. He's one of them. He said, when I look at the video, I say, oh my goodness. So this guy that claimed to be very learned and claimed to do his own investigation can actually come up and carry things like that. Mazi Simon Ekpa claimed to be a content creator. Now you see his life in Finland that he told them that he doesn't know anything about Biafra. While he have not for one day sat down to go through the things that this guy have been saying in court. It's out there. We can Google it, put it on Finnish site there. They will tell you everything that is going on there. There's nothing to hide. But you choose to turn blind eye in order to mock Igbos. And even though it was your matter, he's married to an Igbo lady. So somebody should go and put some words in his head. It is not acceptable. All this while that we saw the killings in Benue State, killings in Imo State, all these killings in Biafra land. This guy have not for one day raised alarm about the killings in that land. But today he's coming to say something about Biafra. So what is his own gain in saying those things? Just to get cheap publicity. Anytime he feel like he's not getting viewers, he will just carry some rubbish news in order to tamper people's emotion. Tell him that Biafra is not something of a joke. I know how stupid he is, because he's an idiot. We should stop listening to idiot like that. Thank you. Share this video also if you can get to him. It's pure delusional, very delusional. I heard the way this guy talks things. If only people can listen properly, you just avoid him. And people have found out that this guy is delusional. Since then, people have not been turning out his podcast. So he's going for honest bunch these days to raise his own profile. Crazy man. You are bringing him out to Igbo. Someone that you see here that is fighting for his people, even for the liberation of yourself, for the prison you are in. You are calling him a content creator, delusional like you. He's a nuisance.